We have here a Tesla Performance 85 for parts. It does not have the 85 kilowatt battery pack, and it does not have the rear performance drive unit. Again, the 85 kilowatt battery and the drive unit are not on the vehicle. The lights are not actually flashing. It's just cameras picking up the LEDs incorrectly. Do a quick walk around of the body. For the most part, the sides and the back are in have a lot of usable parts on it. The front end is destroyed. The front right suspension seems to be fine and untouched. That radiator also may be good. Otherwise, this front end is pretty well damaged. Taking a look at the roof here, the roof glass, sunroof, front panoramic, and rear glass all seem to be good without any defects. Vehicle does have a key. Interior is also in very clean condition. The display monitors are also in good working order without any defects, bubbles, or anything of that sort. Key is in the vehicle. Ignore and continue. No bubbles or streaks. No bubbles or bad streaks visible. Quick view of the inside. The seat airbags did not deploy, nor did the side airbags. The dashboard airbag also did not deploy. So again, a great parts car to rebuild yours. The car is free rolling. The emergency brakes have been disconnected. They are there, but they're in free rolling state. So make sure the vehicle gets tied down properly so it does not kill a driver